Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano ang parating sa inyo in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. Because this is a timeless reading, so anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay, Pisces. What's coming to you in the next 7 days? You have the Fates, by the book, and here and now. Okay, so meron kayong aasikasuhin in the next 7 days. Napaka-importante nitong bagay na to. Pwede itong may kinalaman to sa mga plano ninyo, sa yung iba pag-abroad, may travel, or you have a business that you are building, you are starting a business. Maari namang yung iba sa inyo ay may training sa trabaho, no? Napaka-importante nitong training na to kasi ito ang parang tutulong sa inyo na mapaunlad nyo yung career path ninyo. So kung ano man tong training na kailangan nyong atenan nyo kasi malaking tulong yan. This can be a seminar, convention, or anything, any activity na kung saan may matututunan ka, may improve yung iyong knowledge at ang iyong skill set. Some of you are moving on, no? Moving forward ka na. Hindi mo na iniisip yung past. Nandun ka sa present moment, ini-enjoy mo ang present moment, and you're liking it. I also see na meron, kumbaga parang focus sa'yo yung attention ng maraming tao. You are shining, kumbaga. Some of you are center of attention, center of attraction. Maaring kayo ay nasa social media, meron kayong platform wherein i-share nyo yung knowledge, yung skills nyo, talents nyo, abilities nyo. You can be a vlogger or someone na nagka-create ng contents online. So, merong fame. I'm seeing fame for you. You have the 5 of Pentacles, 2 of Swords. Meron kang major decision na gagawin pagdating sa pera. 5 of Pentacles is about challenges in your finances. Maari kasing meron ka nang kailangang i-let go na sa tingin mo is hindi na siya nakakatulong para sa pagsasaayos ng finances mo. Like for example, meron kang loan o na kailangan mong bayaran. So, ano ba yung way para mabayaran yon? So, pwede ikaw yung magtatrabaho ng mas maraming hours to para may extra ka to pay for that. Or, yung parang let's say meron kang ili-let go para hindi na siya babayaran. Hindi na ikaw yung magbabayad nun. You have the Empress. Wow. The Empress is about abundance, opportunities for you to create more money and to attract abundance. I feel like, the universe is asking you to make some sacrifices. Kumbaga, meron siyang kukunin sa'yo, pero pag, the moment na willing ka na ibigay yon, i-let go yon, at i-accept mo na, yes, may mga naging pagkakamali ka at wrong decisions ka pagdating sa pag-handle ng pera mo. At natutunan mo na yung lesson na yon, saka ka i-bless na universe at ibibigay niya sa'yo yung dine-deserve mo kasi natuto ka na. You have the Knight of Cups. This is offer. Some of you naman sa love life, I'm seeing an admirer. Merong magpaparamdam sa'yo romantically kung single ka. Maaring you will fall in love with this person or magiging attracted ka rin sa taong to. This can be a Taurus or Libra or a water sign na kapareho mo, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You also have the energy ng moon, This is about your emotions. Ano lang, no? Kumbaga, hinay-hinay lang din. Kailangan rin kilalanin mo muna itong taong to before you get yourself into this romantic relationship. You have to make sure din na malalim yung pinanggagalingan ng feelings mo before na mag-commit ka sa taong ito. Oh, wow. Mukhang malayong mararating ng relationship na to for some of you. I see meron ditong secret admirer sa inyo. Pwedeng itong person na to ay merong interest sa'yo and then ikaw interesado ka rin sa kanya pero pareho kayo nahihiya sa isa't isa and eventually marireveal yon, no, in the next 7 days. Some of you naman, merong travel opportunities dito. I feel like meron kang travel opportunity kasi ikaw yung magre-represent ng company mo or ikaw yung magre-represent ng business mo sa isang lugar at mag-a-attract ka ng opportunities doon. Yung iba, meron dito, random lang talaga to, but someone will receive a car. Pwede itong regalo, no? Na regalo sa'yo ng partner mo or regalo mo para sa sarili mo. Sasakyan. This can be, a travel package. Oo, mag-abroad ka, magpapahinga ka sa ibang bansa. Marami kang creative ideas and then you're going to use your creative ideas and talents na mangyari yan to make that happen. Kasi ang lakas ng creative force mo. Meron, yung iba sa inyo papalitan nyo na yung luma nyong sasakyan. So talagang naman to, hindi siya talaga luho para sa inyo yung pagbili ng sasakyan. Kaya kayo bibili kasi kailangan na talaga na mag-upgrade. Wow. You have infinite resources. I feel like you are tapping into abundance, no, in the next 7 days. Mas magiging productive ka, marami kang opportunities na ma-attract, and mararamdaman mo yun and you will be grateful for those blessings. With the wheel of karma, whatever you do, no, kung ano yung ginagawa mo, yun yung babalik sa'yo. So, you have to make sure that you're doing good things para good things din yung karma na bumalik sa'yo. This is fortune. Wow. Okay. May exciting things to happen for you. Yung iba rito, may kinalaman sa creativity ninyo, like mga creative projects ninyo. Someone naman ay magiging exciting yung relationship or yung inyong love life dahil magkakaroon kayo ng time with this person to go out, have fun, yung tipong pupunta kayo sa yung mga parks, no? Halimbawa sa Enchanted Kingdom, ganyan. Or sa places na you will enjoy, parang para kayong bata, ganon, na mag-e-enjoy together. Yung iba papasok sa isang relationship ng biglaan eh. Kaya lang, yun nga, like what I mentioned kanina, wag madaliin ang mga bagay-bagay. Hinay-hinay lang. If this is a relationship, you have to, enjoy mo muna yung company ng tao. And kung sigurado ka na, then saka ka mag-commit sa person mo. Needs. Do you need more time to yourself, a break from thinking too much, a kind encounter with a friend? Your needs matter and it's time to honor them. Yes. Yung needs mo, importante. Ano ba yung kailangan mo? Ano ba yung kinikrave ng sarili mo? You deserve it. Ibigay mo yan sa sarili mo. Lalo na if you're working hard for it. Feelings. Healing begins with feeling. Be gentle with yourself and tender with your heart. Yeah, so this is honoring your feelings. May mga times kasi na hindi, kumbaga parang isinasawalang bahala natin yung nararamdaman natin. 'Di ba? Hindi natin iniisip yung na pwedeng maka-apekto sa atin, yung may negative effect, yung hindi mo ina-address yung naramdaman mo at that time, lalo na kung ito ay concern sa isang tao na kasama mo naman, 'di ba? So, acknowledge mo yung feelings mo na yan and i-process mo, bakit mo nararamdaman yun, ano yung dahilan, and then, move on and work with it kung kinakailangan. Optimism. If you're going to make up stories in your head about people and circumstances, please make them love stories with happy ending. So, pagiging positibo yung inyong pananaw sa buhay. Kasi yan yung ma-attract mo. Yung inyong positive mindset, pagkakaroon ng positive mindset. So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.